This is a powerful way to relax, heal, and reset a struggling, under pressure nervous system. Are you ready? Find a comfortable place to relax, maybe where you can lie down, where you are fully supported, and adjust your head, your neck, your shoulders and arms and legs to make sure that you are cozy, snug, and comfortable. And whatever you're feeling right now, surrender and allow it to be there. What we resist persists. Acceptance is a very powerful way to help heal and reset. I invite you to close your eyes or look down towards your feet, whatever is comfortable for you. Take a nice gentle breath in through the nose, down to the belly. A second breath to the chest. And then exhale very slowly as if you're blowing through a straw, all the air out from your lungs. And again, breathing into the belly. A second breath to the chest. And then blow slowly out all the air from your lungs. And for the last time, you're breathing into the belly. A second breath to the chest. And really extend that exhale to trigger the parasympathetic nervous system, which calms down your mind and body as it tells the brain you are safe. Now move back to breathing gently and calmly in through the nose and out through the nose. Again, slow and low down to the belly. And just see if you can find that pause at the end of the breath, just before you breathe back in. And just get a sense of how the mind slows down and feels peaceful in that moment before you inhale. I invite you to move your awareness around your head and your body with an intention to release any pressure and tension being held, even if it's just 1%. Move your awareness to the top of your head, your crown. Releasing pressure. Your scalp might be tingling with warmth or coolness. We all relax and let go in different ways. Moving your attention down to your forehead and just feeling those lines smoothing out. Relaxing all the way around the back of your head, down your neck, focusing your attention now on your left eye and the muscles behind your left eye. They may feel like there's a slowly deepening as pressure is released. Moving now to your right eye, repeating the same. Your left cheek, your right cheek, your left ear, your right ear, feeling the air coming in through your left nostril, your right nostril, your upper lip, your lower lip, feeling the tip of your tongue, the whole of your tongue all the way to the root, and let it relax behind your two top teeth, creating some space for your mouth and your jaw to let go. Moving down to your left shoulder, burdens releasing, down to your left bicep, muscles relaxing, forearm, the back of your hand, your fingers, the palm of your hand, your right shoulder, heaviness lifting, your right bicep, forearm, the back of your hand, the palm of your hand, your chest, feeling your body expand with each breath. All the way down to your belly, continuing to rise and fall. Your left pelvis, your left thigh, calf muscle, your left foot, your right pelvis, right thigh, calf muscle, right foot. Now become aware of the whole of your left side of your body, breathing into that part of you. Becoming aware of the right side of your body. Becoming aware of the left side of your body and brain. The right side of your body and brain. The whole of your body and brain. Each out-breath continuing to let go of anything you're holding on to. Deeper and deeper into your nervous system. Calming, soothing, letting go. And then when you're ready, begin to just move your feet and your fingers. And then begin to bring yourself back to your surroundings. Just lie there for a moment if you can, allowing your nervous system to continue resetting. Making a conscious effort today with your self-care, your self-love, and taking pressure off of your nervous system where possible. Thank you for joining me for this meditation. There will be a longer, deeper version available on the Mindset Change Another Level channel. The link will be in the show notes. Please share this with anyone you think could benefit from a nervous system reset, and I look forward to connecting with you in the next episode. Have a wonderful day.